Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we have come to the topic of exponential and log, chapter 4. Let me explain to you a bit on the background of exponential and log functions. Okay, actually you have learned this in school, but maybe you need a bit of revision. So here it is. First one is on exponential functions. So this is the basic graph. Fx equal to a to the power of x. So a here is your base. X here is your exponent. We have two rules for your a, the base. First, a must be more than 0. Another one, a cannot be equal to 1. Okay, so what is the reason? A must be more than 0 because we don't cover a negative base. So if you have a negative here, that will be solved by the graph of transformation. Second, why does a cannot be equal to 1? Because if the base is equal to 1, 1 to the power of anything will again be equal to 1. So that is just a constant, so we cannot proceed with exponential functions. That's why we make these two rules here. So when we graph later on, you can see that the domain is a real number, while the range is y more than 0. Next, let's go through a few rules on exponential. The first one, a to the power of m multiply a to the power of n. If you see the same base, we can just combine with the power, you must add them up. What if a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n? In this case, this is a m minus n. Next, a to the power of negative n. For a to the power of negative n is equal to 1 over a to the power of n. Next, a to the power of m over n. Okay, so this is just a to the power of m, and then outside here you may factorize 1 over n. So if you have a fractional exponent, meaning that this one will be turned into nth root here. So this is just a to the power of m, and then take the root of n. Next, let's go to natural exponential functions. Okay, so first of all, I want to introduce you to the number of e here. Okay, so e is equal to 2.71828. So this number here, you can get it from your calculator. So what is actually e? E is a natural number, okay, a special number named natural number. So you need to accept e, the natural number, just as you accept pi as a special number, okay, because pi is 22 over 7, which is also 3.142. Therefore, since you accept pi as a special number, this e, the natural number, is also a special number. So why did we learn e here? It's because now we want to make our base a is equal to e. Okay, so now the basic graph will become fx equal to e to the power of x. The domain and range for this graph here is just the same. Okay, domain is all real number, your range is y more than 0. It wouldn't affect anything here. So this is also the basic graph of natural exponential function.